Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Okay, so this is my current situation with the closet. I have a lot going on and I'm gonna show you really quickly. So I just have this little shoe rack on the side with a lot of shoes that I honestly don't even wear anymore. I'm going to be moving all of my winter jackets and sweaters to the back of my closet. I really need to clean this section out and organize it. I just have everything everywhere at the moment, and I have a lot of dresses right here as well that I want to move forward, and shirts and tops. And then in the middle, I honestly just have a lot of clothes that I don't even wear anymore. So I really want to start selling some things on Poshmark and listing some items. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can definitely check out my Poshmark. It will be linked in the description box. So that's the current situation with my closet. And then just the bottom of it, I have so much junk. Honestly, I have candles down here, I have a lot of decor items, I have wrapping paper, and then I have a bin also down here just filled with clothes that I honestly don't even wear anymore. So I just have to go through my whole closet. I also want to go through my drawers. They're just a big mess right now. I just throw everything in here instead of organizing it. And I have these IKEA bins that pretty much help a lot with like keeping things in place and in order. But I just have to go through all of this and also declutter. There's a lot of items in these drawers that I don't even wear anymore. So again, I'm going to be selling them, donating them. This one is just a big mess. This is just embarrassing, honestly. I just threw everything in here. So I just need to go through that again. And then I also have this one with my bottoms. Okay, so to start off, I think I'm going to be taking out everything from my closet and throwing it onto my bed. I'm going to focus first on my closet and then I'll focus on the drawers just because there's so much going on. But yeah, I'm gonna throw everything on there, and then I'm going to section all the clothing into different piles: a keep, donate, and sell pile. So yeah, let's get started. So as you guys can see, this is everything from my closet, and when you put it on the bed, you get a better perspective of how much clothes I have. And now I'm gonna go through every single item and see if I have any intentions on keeping it, selling it, or donating it. As I put everything back into my closet, I'm going to put all the winter clothes on the back, and then I'm going to put all my spring and summer clothing items in the front, since it's spring now and it's really warm outside. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now. Coats and sweaters, and pretty much everything that I have in here is pretty new, so I really didn't get rid of much. I did get rid of some sweaters that I had and some things that I haven't worn in about a year, so I just decided that it'd be best to sell them and donate them if I didn't wear them this past winter, because my style has been changing a lot in the past few months. So yeah, so everything here is pretty current and pretty new. So this is pretty much all of the jackets and sweaters that I have. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my spring and summer items, and there's a lot of things that I do want to get rid of. Like I said, my style is evolving, so a lot of these things are very cute, but they're just not my style anymore. And there's a lot of things that I've worn multiple times to different events, so it's just time to let them go. So yeah, now let's get started with the other side of the closet. Finished organizing all of my summer clothing items, so this is pretty much all of them. I have a lot of dresses and rompers and very pretty tops on this side of the closet. These are all of the items I'm getting rid of. Like I said, I'm going to be listing a few things on Poshmark for you guys to buy if you guys are interested. Right now I'm about to go through my little shoe rack and declutter it with the shoes I don't wear anymore, and I'm also going to go through these 2 baskets that I have up here. So yeah. Okay, so I went through these 2 baskets, and like I mentioned, one of them has swimsuits and the other one has towels, so didn't change much in those. But I did go through my shoe rack and I got rid of some sneakers, as you guys can see, and I organized this little bin with all of my sandals. All of my sneakers are under my bed. Okay, so this is how the corner turned out, and I think this is so much better than it was before. I've moved all the wrapping paper and my gift bags to the back, and then in these 2 bins, in the bottom one I put seasonal decor, and then in the top one I put leftover things that didn't fit in the bottom one and other random things. But I just think this looks so much better. As you guys saw the before, I just had like a pile of things just on top of each other. Like every time I would open this door, everything would just fall out. So I'm glad this looks so much better. Okay, so now we're gonna focus on the drawers on my dresser, and the main thing here that I really want to do is organize every single drawer since they're kind of messy right now, and I want to roll everything. That's what I find more effective for me. Rolling fits so much more than folding, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna go through every single one and then take out things that I don't wear anymore. So let's get started with that.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Okay, this drawer just looks so much better than it did before. I can open it up and just see all my t-shirts. As you guys can see, this whole bin is just UGA shirts, so I have a lot of those, and even the ones back here are UGA as well, which is crazy to me. And then I have my PJs in these two bins, and then I have an extra shirt over here. And then for my workout clothes, this looks so much better as well. I rolled up all my shirts, and then I have shorts in the middle, and then all my leggings on this side. So yeah, this is finally coming along. So now I just have to tackle this last drawer, and then I'm done.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart.
Okay, so this is the final drawer. I'm so happy. These two piles have shorts and skirts, and then over here I have all of my jeans. So yeah, that was the final one, and I'm so happy with the result. Well, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that motivated you guys to go out and clean out your closets as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!